Hey guys, Lily Ray's here. It's been some time, at least a month since I've recorded, and I wanted to come back and do an unboxing, and this is from Archer&Olive. I also have products from Caran d'Ache. So without further ado, let's open this up. And this box was on a major sale, and it was the only reason why I picked it up. Normally this box would be $80. I picked it up at $24.50. I find that Archer&Olive's are quite expensive, so I will only pick something up if it's on sale. And this was. So I'll start with these stickers. We have some oranges, some Monto something, I forgot what they're called, but they're leaves, banana leaves. And you have so this is all very nice. Okay, I'll put those here. This was a little crushed. And then these I got separate. So these were, and again with Archer&Olive you can get separate items, but this was a steal of a deal. So I got everything together. There's one missing there. Okay, I have the other package of this. These work wonderfully, and I will do a project with them. Okay, and then this is 3 coloring sheets. This is nice. You can use the pencils that I bought, or you can use, and then you can use this as inspiration. So you have these leaves here, which is that. Then you have the tiger, as well as those leaves, and then you have these green ones. So you can use that as inspiration. And it comes in a very pretty envelope. Okay, this will leave for last. Oh, these are the calligraphy pens. Can I take them out? Oh, there we go. Oh, and they're double-ended. So let me put those down. Oh boy. That's one. Wow. And then that's the other side, which is pretty thin. I won't open all of them, but I will give you the colors. Let's see, Jungle, Master Green, Blue Lagoon, Toucan Orange, and Parakeet. So these don't look like they're closed completely. Okay, actually, let me put these back here. They always have such pretty packing, and I love the mint green. Love it. We have the tape. This is washi tape. I want to break this. Let's try it with the scissors here. And there you have your tape. Very pretty. Okay, and what is this? Enamel bookmark. Oh, look how beautiful. I completely forgot this came with it. This is really nice. Oh, I hope you got that. Let's see. Let me put it back. I wasn't sure if there. Perfect. Beautiful. This is gonna be for the new year, 2023. I also have a planner that came with the set. What is this? I don't know what this is. Oh, it's a notebook with the 3 colors. And you have the yellow, the green. Oh, and this seems to be much thicker than their planners. This is nice paper. This is the paper they should use throughout. This is really nice. Okay. Then we have the tote. The tote is what drew me to getting this package, besides the bargain sale price that it was at. So, this is the tote, storage tote, which I love the color. It has the name Archer&Olive, as well as, wow, this is pretty big. You can store all of your craft items in here. Okay, I'm going to stand these up. I'm going to put the pencils in this pocket, the tape. These I'm going to wrap up and put them in one of the pockets. Whoops. Okay, let's see if they have. They don't have it. Let me take the box out. Okay. And then you can put the planner in here. You can put this out here. And of course, you're going to have more items to store. So let's look at the planner. I hope, I'm crossing my fingers, that the planner has the same pages as the notebook that I just showed you. Okay, so to grab this. See, I have this one here. This is from Archer&Olive, and this paper is pretty thick, but it's kind of waxy. So when you want to draw on it, it's a bit difficult. As you can see, I've used this as a sketchbook to do studies in. I'm almost done with that. So, what's the name of the handcrafted journals and planners to enhance your everyday life? Okay. I love the mint green. Beauteous, it says ultra thick paper. No ghosting, no bleeding. Perfect for markers, fountain pens, and even paint. Oh boy, maybe they're improving their books. Let's see. I gotta see. Oh, and this one's leather. This one's cloth. I like the feel of this one. Nice. Okay. Let's see. Oh, it's perforated. Okay, that's different than this. This is not perforated. The paper is, it is thick, but let's see the difference here. Let me see if it says it here. It doesn't say it. I don't know, it seems, maybe it's a bit thicker. But I like the fact that it's perforated. Very nice. A pocket in the back. You can put your stickers in there. Love this color, and I love the fact that they come, all of the items come with this, what do you call this? It's a page divider. It's pretty. Love it. Love it, love it, love it. Beautiful. I'll save this here just to test it out. And now this can absolutely go in here. I am so happy that I was able to get this this sale. And then I don't know how to close this. I guess this goes here. Oh, it has a nice pin right there, I guess, to dangle your keys from. Maybe I'll just take this off. What we got there. And what is this for? Okay, love it. Love it, love it, love it. Great job on this one.